Wow.
Yes.
Mimi shitting herself a bit. Basically, lots of kidnappings happening over there.
We are still in Benin, Cotonou. Second try in Nigerian embassy. And yeah, it's quite harsh as there is many copies yet to be made. And we're going to first go to motor shop to make the copies. And then we are going to go straight away to embassy. We should be ready. Fingers crossed, hope to God. Before going to the motor shop, we are stopping at the Eco Bank to take out some money because we only have coins. We don't have a lot, so yeah. The moment we are here.
Hello, and we're back. We made all the copies for our visas. Well, all the necessary documents, which I didn't even give all. So it was only a huge hassle. I didn't even give the invitation letter or the copy of that, nothing. So we got the visas very fast. It costed us 80 bucks online per visa. Plus they wanted 50,000 cefas for both of us. The embassy fee, no, I don't know, whatever, the consular fees, which I got begged to get it reduced to 30,000. Thank you very much, Roof Ibrahim. There's the Nigeria House Embassy, and we got our visas. So we're gonna probably stay another day in Benin because we wanna fix Cameroon visa and Gabon.
As they are a lot cheaper over here and it's a lot faster over here too. So let's hope for that.
Let's get riding back to the biker's place. After having a long drive around city, we actually stopped at 3 different embassies. Yeah, Cameroon,
Yes.
Gabon, and of Congo. Cameroon, a rip-off. 150,000 cefas per one visa.
It's about like 400 euros.
Nearly 500 actually. For Gabon, 55,000 cefas per visa, which is about 70 euros. Congo also 50 something thousand cefas, which is 70 euros per
Which
visa.
is quite normal, which is quite okay. Cameroon really surprised.
Nobody wants to issue transit visas. Why? We'll find out later. This is a mystery, and I'm gonna investigate.
Amazing place by the road. They have an amazing shawarma, which are costing 2,000 each. We come here and
Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Thank you.
Thank you. So I hope you just now managed profit because it was KTM. I really do hope that was the fastest number exchange ever.
First supermarket we've been in a long time. Got our bags. So we have some food at home. Bag of food. And the receipt comes in like this way now. We paid 16,000 CFs plus my axe deodorant 2 grand.
And there is the axe deodorant.
This is how you get receipt in Africa, in a supermarket.
Good morning. Needed to fill out the petrol as it was critical. Doesn't set up. Let's continue. Yeah, I got into motorcycle place.
One of my Audi.
Wow.
You see it? You can see the logo of the company. Yes, AZ Motors. A to Z. From A to Z.
AZ Motors.
So AZ
Mind-blowing collection
Yes,
he's got.
everything.
Like in Amazon, like that.
Big coffee and milk and a lovely, probably one of the best omelets in Africa now.
Yeah, it is so full of everything. It has meat, tomato, paprika, mayo.
Oh, you're detestable, no. Bon appetit.
We just got back from really delicious and fulfilling breakfast here back in the motor shop, Motor Repairs. The collection here is amazing. The owner of this shop showed his collection at home too, so and here are many motorcycles where you have a little pathway to go through all of them. You can see a KTM Adventure, different types, different years, adventure bikes. street bikes, cruisers. These motorcycles while they were passing my city. And look at this. And these are like police, which are police using in our country. And so here is the owner, Aziz.
A-Z-I-Z.
Aziz.
And here is Danny.
With a cigar. He
And he
teaches.
learned me a new technique. We should not cut it in Europe. We should just pick some holes. Depends on your flow, how you love it. It will last much longer. I was advertising everywhere in
Yes,
Spain.
the KTM.
Can you give me the price? How much I still owe you? So we're in another graveyard workshop. Our bike's getting maintained. Let's see how the sprockets are feeling right now. A dead sprocket. The one's changing Ivory Coast when we go down this fucking van. Look how sharp this is. Wow! Katastrofa.
Katastrofa.
My brake pads is having standing. Merci. Thank you, man. Here is the boss.
Yes.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay.
He helped out.
Yes,
Chris Cross, he helped us fix our bike. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Evening, we've done some updates. We have our pineapple for 250 sefa, which is twice as cheaper than a drink. Mimi shitting herself a bit.
Yeah, we got like discouraging information about Cameroon from Ghana ambassador.
Basically, lots of kidnappings happening over there. Kidnappings is no fun, especially if they want to steal all our gear. Then we lose our computer, then we lose our hard drive with all these videos, so hopefully you'll still see this. And if not, then yes, we're in problems are be gone. So let's say good night for today's episode. We're still in Benin, and we'll try to go to Nigeria as fast as possible. Friends are waiting, so we should be safe for the first couple of days, hopefully. But anyway, still trouble. Good night. And we're gonna eat this.